In this video, I will show you how to download Capcut on a PC. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop. Now the best way to go about downloading Capcut is what you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto your search box. In the search box, what you want to do is go ahead and enter Microsoft Store. And underneath the best match, you should see the Microsoft Store app. So what you want to do is click on that to open it. And from here, once the store has finished loading, what you want to do is come up to the very top to the search box, and what you can do is click onto this and go ahead and enter Capcut. So what this should do is take you directly to the page for Capcut, and you can actually see the install button here. Now it might say get, but that doesn't matter because it does do the same thing. So all you want to do is go ahead and give this a click, and as you can see, that's going to start downloading Capcut onto your PC. So the actual download itself shouldn't take too long to complete, dependent of course on your internet connection, but what it's going to do is download and install that straight away. So once that's installed, to find Capcut, just simply come back down to the search box in the bottom left hand corner, click onto that and go ahead and type Capcut into the search box. Once that's finished downloading, you will see this appear. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.